Your car has complex interconnected systems that need to be carefully checked, such as the drive belt system. In modern cars, the separate fan belt, alternator belt and steering belt have been replaced by a belt drive system using only the one belt to keep all these things running smoothly. The belt and tensioner ensure that a number of your engine's critical systems run smoothly. Like all car components, this belt wears down over time. Modern belts rarely crack and break. They slowly grind down and become less efficient, which in turn affects all the other parts that the system drives. This is why it is generally recommended that the complete belt and tensioning system is replaced around every 150,000 kilometres. You may not notice any obvious issues with your car, but it may not be operating as efficiently as it can. And if you reach the point where the belt fails entirely, it could end up being a costly repair. That is why the fully qualified professionals at your local Repco authorised service centre include an inspection of your drive belt as part of their 65-point vehicle inspection with every service. Book in or book online today.